What's going on, everybody? Got this Steeda strut brace. It was all black, but painted it blue last night. I think it'll look good on the car. Got all the mounting holes drilled. So now we just gotta lay it on and bolt it in. Alright, I'm mid installation of it. Got the back ones done and got these ones done. And I didn't want to take the wheels off, so I just turned the wheels in from underneath. You can see there's just a little pocket. Took me about half hour to do those three. Arms all indented from being smushed up in there. So I just got these three more to go. Side ones aren't too bad, it's just the top ones that suck. Back ones are actually really easy. But it's real sturdy right now. I'll get back to you when all the rest of them are done. That's how it looks. There it is, all installed. Definitely reacts like a completely different car. Take turns probably 15-20 mile an hour faster now. Don't feel hardly any body roll up in front. The tires are basically slick, so need some new ones. Yeah, thanks for watching. See you next time.